Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video is all about this short curl wig. And if it's your first time you're watching my video, thank you so much. You are welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. And please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything. The hair used in this video is Expression hair. This is half package and I cut into 4 equal parts. And then this is how it looks like. So I take my wig cap. After I secure, the section I use is very small, as you see. And after I pull it, I just open the loop and I secure it. Then I make sure secured well. And then I move to the next section. You may decide either to secure 2 times, but for me, I only secure 1 time. And before you start to crochet your hair, no need to stretch your hair because you're going to lose more hair. So just start to crochet the hair just like the way you cut. Also, no need to crochet too closely. You can keep a little space but not too big, because to achieve this wig I only use half package of Expression hair. So don't put your hair too close and don't put too far, because end of this wig I'm going to put curly. But if you want your wig to be too full, of course you must put more. You have to crochet more hair. You can crochet maybe 1 pack of Expression, because for me to get this look I crochet half. So it depends on how you want your wigs to look like. If you want more full, of course you have to crochet more hair. Up here I crochet more closely compared with the down, because this area the curls is going to be from front, so you have to crochet more hair to get full in front. And the direction I use to crochet front is going to front, as you see, compare with the direction I started with in back, because here this wig is going to cover front, forehead, so of course you have crochet front. And don't forget, here you have crochet more closely. So here I'm done with crochets, and this is how my wig looks like. So I go ahead and divide this wig into different sections to make it easy to make curly. I use curly rods. I got it from Amazon. And before I start to roll the wig in this curly rod, I make sure I comb it well, the hair is well, and then I start roll it over here. You have to make sure you roll it very tight. If it's a bit difficult for you to roll the hair into curly rods, every section you hold together, you have to pull a little small section of hair, just a little, so that you can get ends to roll it on your curly rods in the beginning, and then continue roll it as normal. Because if all of them they are flat, it's a bit difficult to roll it. You may decide either to use these curly rods or to use straw, but if you use straw, your curls is going to be a little smaller than mine, or you may decide to use curly rods but the big one, so your curl is going to be a little bigger than mine. So you have to make sure you brush your hair well, and when you roll it, you must make sure you roll it well and tight enough so that you will get good curly. Front, you must make sure the curly going front side, because here it's going to cover forehead. If you roll it going back, it will be a little difficult to cover your forehead. So you have to make sure at least 2-3 sections. Front side, it's going front. And after I finish to put curly rods, this is how the wig it looks like. You have to make sure your water is very hot. This is 100 degrees. And I make sure my wig gets enough hot water. I just leave it there for a while, maybe 1 minute. When I turn all directions to make sure all sides get enough water. After that, you have to make sure you leave your wig there to be dry. Don't remove your curly rods when your wig is still wet, because you are not going to get this curly. So after this, I just go ahead and remove these curly rods. And after I remove, I just separate the sections to get full wig. When you're removing, just follow the same direction with the direction you roll it. If you roll it going front, of course you have to go the same direction, and after that just separate, go the same direction. You may add a little oil on your hair, but here I didn't add anything. I just remove and separate the hair. You can see middle here, I remove curly rods before become dry, and you can see the curly looks very big compared with this other curly. I wait till this wig become dry. So in case you want to remove your curly rods before your hair be dry, it's going to be like that. So after I finish remove, I go ahead and I trim off all the excess hair or the hair that's hanging out. And when I continue trimming, I also continue pulling some hair just to make my wig full. And this is how my wig looks like. So let me put it on and we see. So this is the final result, and this is my wig. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly like this video and subscribe. Also, don't forget to share and leave your comment. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.